If you have been uploading video every day on YouTube or every week, no views, no traction, burnout setting in, you are not alone. The truth is, you are just being told the wrong strategy. That is why you are not getting the views or the visibility. Let's clear something. Being consistent here on YouTube is not actually bad, but a lot of people have this misconception that being consistent here on YouTube means you need to be uploading video every day, you need to be following a particular schedule, but that's actually wrong. Because growing here on YouTube in 2026, you need a particular type of strategy and not uploading or bombarding the YouTube algorithm with a lot of video. This may actually work back then in 2015 and those older days, but currently, no, it's not working anymore. Now, let me tell you how this can actually hurt your YouTube channel. If this is going to make you to sacrifice quality, what I mean is that you will be pushed to be uploading more videos here on YouTube while you'll be neglecting the quality aspect. Like your video will not contain the value, what people actually need to hear or see. Your video is going to be missing out in that area because you'll be focused more on I just want to upload, and you'll be forgetting about giving value. That's why this actually is wrong, and it's going to affect your channel very badly, because it's better to leverage on one good content than to upload 5 videos that are not making sense or are not giving any form of value. Second disadvantage is that you confuse the YouTube algorithm. Yes, you are confusing the YouTube algorithm if you are uploading too many videos here on YouTube, because you have not given the YouTube algorithm time to push your video. For example, you upload one video today here on YouTube, the video does well, like it performs well. The second day you upload another one, the video do not do well. The third day, the video does well. The fourth day, and so on. Your video does not have this stable growth. Like some days it performs well, the other days it does not perform well. This is going to make your channel to be slow, because the YouTube algorithm does not know the particular people to push your content to. It has this mixed signal, like you'll be confused. That's why you need to always try to give the YouTube algorithm time to understand your video, understand your title, understand everything about your video, so that you're going to know the particular set of people to push your content to. Now, let me tell you how this can hurt your channel. You'll be focused on giving more content than actually giving value, because uploading video every day on YouTube, you will be making more videos and less value. And this one I want to say is actually very important, and I'm also part of it. When I just started is you are going to get burnouts. Yes, it's actually true. It's true. If you are bombarding the YouTube algorithm with videos, or you're uploading videos every time on YouTube, it will get a time that you are going to get burnout. Like you will not know, you go out of content ideas, you will not know the type of content to upload again. Like you'll be frustrated, and this is going to lead to you saying, oh, I'm tired, I'm quitting. Because at that point you will not be seeing the results, and when you're not seeing the results and you have gone out of content idea, this is going to bring down your adrenaline, and you will feel like, oh man, I want to quit this stuff, I'm not doing again. That is why I say you need to take time to build good videos. Don't rush. The advantage most of you don't know, again, when you are uploading too much on YouTube, is that you are training your audience to leave your video or ignore your channel. Yes, because here on YouTube, different people are in different place. The time I'm on YouTube is not the same time someone in the UK or USA is on YouTube. They have different time zone. So when you are uploading video too frequently on YouTube, you are not giving your audience time to watch your video, and this is going to affect the click-through rate of your video badly. Like your click-through rate is going to be bad, and if people are not clicking on your video, especially your subscribers, YouTube will not recommend your video to other people. YouTube will stop recommending that video, because you see, oh, this video is bad, a lot of people are not watching it, they are not clicking on it. That is why you need to reduce the way you are uploading. Now, this is what actually works in 2026 if you want to grow on YouTube. You don't need to be posting too many content or posting frequently. You just need to be uploading valuable content, because value will always stand out. This is what is working Upload content that solves real life problem, content that you know that if you upload it, people are going to watch. Before you upload your content, always ask yourself this question: this content I'm about to upload, if I am the one that sees this content, will I love to watch this content? Will I like? One answer is no. Do not upload that video. That's why I need to take your time, your energy. I know it's very stressful, but you need to take your time to make good quality, valuable content that if people come across, they are going to watch. And you need to give each video time to breathe. Before you upload another video, make sure that you are giving your previous video time to breathe. This is what I actually just discovered on YouTube, and it's actually helping me. Before, I used to upload video like prevention every day. Like if I don't upload today, the next day I'm going to upload shorts. Like I was just uploading, and I found out that this was actually the reason why I was not growing on YouTube, and my channel was hot. Like it hurt my channel so badly. Until I discovered this, that's when I started reducing my posting time, and I started making valuable content more than just following trend or just uploading random stuff here on YouTube. So now we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please, I want you to do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that whenever I drop another amazing video, you are going to get the notification. And always don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Leave a like, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this video? Was this video valuable to you? And don't forget to share this video, share it to many people as possible, so that other people too are going to learn and are going to benefit from this video. Thank you, and remember, I always love you guys. Peace out.